Welcome back. We've got two members of the Iola Chamber of Commerce in here this morning joining us, Robin Shalley and Marie Barclay. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Well, thank you for having us.
We're going to talk about a lot of things going on in Iola and some exciting changes that have just been made, but one of the things that you guys are focusing on now is like putting up some mural projects in the city.
Yes, we are. We have called it the largest town square murals because we are considered to be the largest town square in the United States.
Really?
Yes. So our thought was to bring more attention to the town square, more attention to Iola, and the way to do that would be through murals. So we've been working with Max Grundy. He is a renowned artist. He recently moved to Iola from California.
Mm-hmm. He's worked with Disney and the Discovery Channel. I mean, he's a well-known name.
Absolutely.
It's pretty cool that he's living in Iola.
And it looks like you're showing, that's our first mural. Iola, one of the things that they were known for well over 100 years is the trolley. Mm-hmm. We currently have a trolley, and it's called Fearless Fred, that we use for tours, etc. And so that mural will be going outside of our building. He has already started on that, and our building is at 10 West Jackson. And
is that a new location?
Yes, we were, for a couple of years, we were inside the Bullis Fine Arts Center in the basement, and people were having difficulties finding us.
Yeah, they had to go to a basement to get to you.
Correct.
Yeah.
So one of the initiatives when I came on as executive director was to get us to be more visible and more accessible. And so one of our community members offered us space in one of their buildings. So we are right by City Hall right now. And so it's a straight entrance into the building. We have great windows. And so that's been fantastic for us.
A big change. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
What are some other changes that you guys are seeing as a chamber since you've taken over?
Do you want to, or I can?
Go ahead.
One of the biggest things that I've seen, and I've only lived in the city for 8 years, is that there is a real revitalization of our Iola Square. We're seeing new businesses. We recently had a new coffee shop, Fillmore Coffee. We have a new restaurant, Sharky's, which has one in Fort Scott and Nevada, and so they are part of our community now. I believe that there's only 3 empty buildings, I could be wrong, on the square proper. So that's very exciting. We're seeing a lot of people either move to our community to realize the rural life, the slower lifestyle. We're having quite a few people, like myself and my husband, who's from Iola, move back into the area to raise children. People like the Grundys, who lived in a fast-paced California lifestyle, are now enjoying that more slower lifestyle. We just had a brand new elementary school that was built. So there's quite a few things that are happening in Iola that we're both very proud of.
Is there any thoughts on bringing back like the historic the Mad Bomber run for when that? I used to participate in that, so I have to ask. Yeah.
I have not heard. I know COVID, really put a cramp on quite a few things. I know the chamber is trying to get more activities down on the square. Last year we started the first 4th of July pedal parade, so all the little kids could pedal around the square in their decorated bikes. And here's our second mural.
Oh, there you go.
That one is going outside of the Audacious Boutique store on the corner of Jefferson and Madison. So if you kind of noticed when you were looking at the murals, there's a theme. That one has Iola, the other one said welcome home. So all 4 of them that will be situated around the square will have that Iola home welcome theme to it. And then the Grundys, both Max and Candace, have provided us or will provide us with postcards depicting all of the murals that we will be able to have for sale at the chamber.
I look forward to seeing those as well.
Yeah.
All right, so when is the chamber open so people can stop in and see you guys?
Go ahead.
We're open most days, Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. We can always be reached by phone or by text or email, all the social media that we have available to us now, Facebook, Instagram.
All right. Well, wish you guys the best. And
well, thank you again for having us. We
great job
appreciate
doing
it.
what you're doing.
We
well,
appreciate
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.